Hello guys, welcome back to my channel at Malleable Nandini Art and Craft. So today I am back for more video. So today in my new video I'm gonna show you how to make easy hair tiara or headband. As I in my new video I come up with the most interesting thing for the beauty of the girls and for the fashion of the girls. So and that is the hair tiara with easy method at home with the papers and some more things. So let's start with the procedure, but before starting don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications, and I will be keep coming to you with such more innovative and interesting ideas. So let's start with the procedure without any delay. First of all, we get start with the making of the flower for the hair tiara. So take here a square piece of paper by 4 by 4 centimeter and just fold it into half in the shape of a triangle, and then into another half like this. Just keep your thumb in the center and just pinch the center and just fold it like this and open, and you will see here a crease form, and just fold it from the center point like this and over this like this. Now take here a pencil and just from this side open one area, just you make a pattern from the bottom and just cut it. Now see, I have cut it the shape of the flower like this. Now after getting the shape of a flower, just using your scissor and fingers, just make fringes on the petals of the flower to make it look good, beautiful, like this on all the petals. Now just take your big one flower and just add glitter glue in the center and just stick the smaller one flower in the center of the big one. After that, take here a 2-meter ribbon and just according to the size you can take and according to the convenience, and just mark 26 centimeter on each side of the ribbon, as I have marked using pencil. Now after that, take here a piece of sellotape and just add sellotape on both of the corners on your countertop or floor and just fix it like this. Now just see, I have added my ribbon to the countertop or floor, wherever you prefer to make it. After that, take here such flowers, as I have told you the process. In such 13 pieces of flower you are required to make this tiara. Now take here a white pearl and just using hot glue gun add in the center of the flower you made. Now just one by one start adding your flowers on the ribbon as I am showing you. Just add glue gun to the backward of the flower and just start sticking in the format like this. Now just in the sequential way you have to just add the flowers one by one and just add the front and back. I am adding just the pink flower to make a order, and the leftover flowers you can use for your other purpose, and just take out the sellotape from the front and back. See how pretty it is looking. You can just make it for yourself, and see how beautiful it is looking. You can make it for yourself at your home. You can make it for your, and you can make it for as a gift for your friends, and you can just make it at your home in just a minute. So I hope you all guys like the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. So thank you. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.